Hello everyone, in this video we are going to start with our second example, which is a three-flight staircase. Now, if we look at this image, we are going to recall that a two-flight staircase has a landing, flight, landing, flight, then you'll reach your second floor. However, there's a minor difference when it comes to a three-flight staircase. So if we look at this image represents a three-flight staircase. So we can see that we have a landing, flight, intermediate landing, flight, another intermediate landing, then flight, then you reach your second floor. Now usually we go for three-flight staircases in case our floor height was too big, so around 4.2 meters. So if we go for a two-flight staircase in this case, um, the the step height is going to be too big and it's going to be uncomfortable for the user. So this is why we go for three-flight staircase. Now, if we look at the structural component of our three-flight staircases, it's the same as our two-flight. So basically, we are going to have a landing, we said, then a flight, and then another landing. So our supports here are the same as the supports we had for our two-flight staircase. However, the only difference here is that, again, if we look at this image, it's that the intermediate staircase is supported by an inclined beam. So this is our main difference. Now, in order to start with the analysis and design of my three-flight staircase, we have to first find our dimensions. So what we are going to use is that we are going to use a 0.3 meter length step and a 0.50 meter height. Now, from our previous example, we know that this is 1.5 meters, this as well, and this, and this. Now, how can we find this dimension here? It's very simple and easy. We need to count the number of steps that I have. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's 10 steps times 0.3 meters, which is 3 meters. Now in our case here, it's 0.3 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is 1.5 meters here. And this is here. Now, now that we found our dimensions here, it is time to find our elevation. So this is our zero level. Now to find this elevation here, what we need to do is we need to again count the number of steps. So it's one step up, two steps up, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So here what's happening is that we are going for an 11th step before reaching my intermediate landing. So it is 11 times 0.15, which will give us 1.65 meters. Now again here it's one step up, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's 6 times 0.15 plus 1.65, which will give us 2.55, because 6 times 0.50 meters will give us 0.9 meters. 0.9 meters plus 1.65 meters is 2.55. Now here again it's 2.55 plus 1.65 meters, which will give us 4.2 meters. So now that we have found our dimensions, we have found our elevations, talked a little bit about our three-flight staircase, now it's time for us to move to SAP and start with the analysis and design of our three flight staircase system. So I'll see you in our next video.